SEO Revolution, video number 15, tracking your SEO with Google Analytics. One of the first indications of how your website's SEO is doing is looking at the amount of traffic coming to your website. In Google Analytics, you can find the overview of your website's performance. Following are those practices. What does organic traffic say about your SEO? If you're not getting a lot of traffic from search engines, then that tells you that you need to work on your SEO. There's a lot of potential traffic you may be missing out. If you notice the number of organic traffic is declining, then you need to work on your SEO as well, especially if the decline is large. Page-specific SEO monitoring. If you want to see your analytics at a per-page level, you have to go to Behavior, Site Content, All Pages. Here you will see the site's top 10 pages ranked on amount of page views. If you have a specific page you want to look at, you can simply fill in the URL. Without domain name, in the search bar, you'll now be able to see that page's data. Bounce rate. An important metrics on the landing page screen is the bounce rate. This metric gives you the percentage of people that left your landing page without having done anything on that page. The bounce rate is important because it tells you something about the quality of your traffic or the quality of the page. It has an indirect influence on your SEO. Internal site search. If you click on Behavior, Site Search, Overview, you will find a list of search terms people have searched for on your site using your site search. This is always a good data set to keep track of as well, since it can give you a good idea of what your audience expects to find on your site. Mobile traffic. If you go to Audience, Mobile, Overview, you will get a data set that shows how many people are entering your site using a desktop, a mobile phone, or a tablet. Once again, click on the pie chart icon to get a good view of how many mobile visitors you have. Mobile traffic continued. If that's more than 10%, you should definitely make sure your website looks good and works fine on a mobile phone. Also, if you're noticing your bounce rate on mobile is significantly higher than on desktop, this can indicate that your mobile site isn't all that mobile friendly. Site speed. Google Analytics has a special site speed section, which you can find under Behavior, Site Speed. If you click on Page Timings, you can see the average page load time compared to the site average. Additionally, you get a quick overview of pages that are slow. So this immediately gives you a to-do list of pages you need to optimize first. What reports you should focus on first? Audience. It includes such information as the number of people who visited your site for the period you specified, how many new versus return visitors you received, page views, average time on site, bounce rate, and more. Traffic. Traffic report shows you what channels your visitors came from. It includes every single source of traffic to your site: organic/search engines, referring sites, direct traffic, social media, etc. Landing pages. Landing page report shows you which pages visitors entered your website through. It indicates not only which pages are popular, but also popular topics. Keywords. This report shows what keywords visitors use to find your site in search. It used to be a highly important report, but since the encryption of search data, a lot of keywords are shown as not provided. Conversions. Lastly, you have certain goals you want your visitors to complete. Sign up for your newsletter, inquiries about your service, orders, a product, and so on. These are conversions on your site, and this report can show you when, where, and how that happened. These are just some of the basic options and reports available in Google Analytics. Once you start using them, you'll quickly discover an abundance of other information readily available to you. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked it.